Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about 15 sentences to improve English speaking. Number 1. Good morning. How are you today? Number 2. I enjoy reading books in my free time. Number 3. Can you tell me a little about yourself? Number 4. What's your favorite type of music? Number 5. I'm planning to visit a museum this weekend. Number 6. Could you please pass me the salt and pepper? Number 7. I had a productive day at work yesterday. Number 8. What do you think about the weather today? Number 9. My hobby is photography and I love capturing nature. Number 10. Let's grab a coffee and catch up sometime. Number 11. I'm looking forward to the upcoming holiday season. Number 12. Do you have any tips for learning a new language? Number 13. I am a big fan of action movies and superheroes films. Number 14. It's essential to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Number 15. What's your opinion on social media's impact on society?
Our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.